Hello, my name is Heather with Protect Your Boundaries, and welcome to part 2 of our video on the Land Registry Office. If you have not tuned in to part 1 of this video, I highly recommend you do so. There's some really great information in there that also pertains to this video. We will be addressing how your documents are registered and the difference between the two systems used in Ontario. There are two means of registering property documents in the province of Ontario. Property records may be stored in the registry system or the land title system. The legislation that enforces the two systems are the Registry Act and the Land Titles Act. Records relating to your property ownership will be stored in one of these two systems. First, let's discuss the main differences between the two systems. It is important to know that the registry system came into place first and was the only means of registering land ownership in Ontario until the 1970s. The issue with the registry system was that it acted as a claim to a property rather than a legal filing system. Documents that were filed under the Registry Act could be translated in various ways by the person looking at them. There was no guarantees and left land ownership open to interpretation. This is where squatters' rights or adverse possession could come into effect and cause issues for landowners. When the land title system was introduced in the 1970s, it provided better protection to landowners, as properties registered under the Land Titles Act guaranteed rights to the property owner. Documents to the property in question are carefully examined by lawyers and staff at the LRO to ensure correct documentation pertaining to the extent of title. This eliminates any wrongful interpretation of ownership and nearly eliminates the possibility of someone claiming rights over your land. The new Land Titles Act also makes it more difficult for someone to claim adverse possession or squatters' rights over your land. These days, pretty much all properties in Ontario have been converted to or filed under the new land title system. That is great news because it means most homeowners do not have to worry about someone claiming rights over their land under the old registry system. If you want to do your homework and ensure your property is protected under the Land Titles Act, you can now grab a copy of your parcel register from the Protect Your Boundaries website. This document is like a blueprint of your property's legal status. Inside, there is a section called Estate/Qualifier. Under that section, you will see the words Absolute or Absolute Plus. This signifies a perfect title and outright ownership. Alternatively, you will see the words qualified or conversion qualified, meaning that your property was initially registered under the old system but has since been converted to the new land title system. Your parcel register will also provide you with the date of conversion. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to visit Protect Your Boundaries for more insights and assistance with all of your property boundary needs.